Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring prerequisites are ready. Domain control, an identity provider choice, OpenID Connect or SAML, and an admin account. Once done, log into the identity provider console and create a new application or client. Enter the redirect URI and logout URL exactly as your app expects. Then note the client ID and secret that the provider issues. You will use those immediately. Make sure to set allowed scopes and grant types now so the next steps flow without interruptions. Next, integrate the supplied client ID and secret into your application configuration, keeping them secret in environment variables or a secrets vault. Then implement the authorization code flow using PKCE for native or single-page apps. This prevents token interception. Once authentication returns tokens, validate the ID token signature and extract user claims for email and roles. Configure attribute mapping so your app recognizes users. And test sign-in with a staging account to confirm roles and redirect behavior work as expected. To finish, harden your SSO deployment, rotate client secrets, enable multi-factor authentication, and set reasonable session lifetimes. Deploy to production and monitor authentication logs for failures, suspicious activity, or token errors, and set alerts for repeated failures. If something breaks, start troubleshooting by verifying the exact redirect URI, confirming the client secret matches, checking clock synchronization between systems, and ensuring requested scopes are allowed. If issues persist, reproduce the flow in a dev environment and inspect token validation errors for precise fixes.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.